Okay, so I have a 2016 Toyota Highlander that was making a growling sound. I checked all 4 wheel bearings. There was no problem. The next up, I jacked the car up, put it on 4 jack stands, made sure it was secure, and I removed the 2 bolts holding the front center support bearing. The front center support bearing has bushings, and so does the rear. They're different sizes, so do not mix them up. And once you take off one, this will drop down a little bit and you're able to spin the bearing. This one is fine. I did the same with the rear. This one was bad. It made a grumbling sound. So I replaced a whole drive shaft. And the one thing to remember is when you're replacing the drive shaft, insert the front end into the transfer case and be careful not to damage the seal. Other than that, this is an easy job, but it is expensive for the part.